All right, guys, this is Brent from Proline Pressure Washing again from down in Atlanta, Georgia. Promise you guys we get some more content out there. Various topics related to the pressure washing and soft wash industry. We're in off season now, so I've got a little bit more time to make some videos and address a couple more topics that a lot of new people in the industry like to talk about. Uh, So one of the things on this rainy day here in Atlanta that I was thinking about was the process of getting new clients and getting clients right when you get started in the industry. And you'll see a lot of videos out there that will promise you things that are just impossible. So when I tell you there's no one secret magic simple bullet, just listen to me when I tell you that. There's no magic bullet to getting new clients. It takes a comprehensive approach from digital online, marketing, physical advertising, on your truck, trailer, things like that, networking. It takes, joining maybe your local chamber of commerce or business association. So it takes a lot more than just going and signing up with somebody to do SEO for you or just creating a simple website. There's a lot that goes into it. I mean, for us here at Proline, what we do is we take, like I said, that comprehensive approach. We've got our Google business profile. We've got our website. Our website was designed with the proper structure. It's got the proper keywords in it. It's still a work in progress. It's not finished yet. We work on it every day, just about every day, especially during the off season. Make sure that you've got NAP consistency, which is name, address, and phone number across all of your sites that are online, whether it's your YouTube channel, Instagram. That NAP consistency is very, very important. The other thing that is important in your digital profile is to make sure that you have relevant content, not things that are just created by AI. One of the reasons we started this YouTube channel is to help drive, more people ultimately to our company, but, to help some of the younger guys out there, because it's hard breaking in the industry. It's not an easy thing to do. Between learning, how to do the work, how to set up your equipment, getting new clients, protecting yourself from making mistakes, it just takes a lot. So you slow down, give yourself some grace, and take like I said, a very comprehensive approach to it. And when you're doing one thing, try to do it very well. That's what we've tried to do. We've had some success. We haven't been in the industry a terrible amount of time. I trained under some of the best people. Give a shout out to my buddy Forrest Neil Saylor from Pros Under Pressure. He was a mentor to me. I worked with him for a long time. But, it's just a slow and steady ground and pound type approach. It's a war of attrition out there versus, everybody's shooting for the same dollars. So what can you provide that's different than the competition? What can you provide that will give you a leg up? You got to figure that out. You've got to figure out what your marketing strategy is going to be, how much you're going to put into online. Are you going to do physical advertising with signs? Are you going to wrap your truck? Are you going to wrap your trailer? Where your dollar is going to go? And we've tried to divide it out in a way that makes sense to us, that works for our business. So, like I said, we've had some success. And while I don't go into details on exactly how we do our SEO, we do it all in house. We didn't hire anybody to go do SEO for us. We had to spend a little money on the SEO side so we can get relevant backlinks back to our website. That's where joining your Chamber of Commerce comes in, the Better Business Bureau, places like that. With the Chat GPT and AI structure out there, that's helped us out a lot. You can just simply type in some of the stuff I'm talking about and into your AI program, and it'll give you a basic model to start with. AI can't do everything, so you're going to have to tweak it some. That's going to be very important. But it's got to be very localized for your market. Don't try to dominate an entire region at once. Try to start in one area and kind of work your way up from there. So If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe to this channel if you can. Like and share this video. All the YouTube things that I'm just now learning about. These are my first couple videos, so give me a little bit of grace too. I look forward to any questions, any comments, anything that y'all may have. But I just want to make sure, you know, everyone knows that we're making these videos for, you know, anyone who's interested in getting in the industry, anyone who's in the industry right now trying to grow their customer base. It's just trying to share our knowledge and our experience. So give us a shout. Thanks.